Hello and welcome to Fashion and Design Masterclass. This is Amos and welcome to the Cairo daily and monthly courses. In this module or in this lesson or in this course, we're going to go through or learn much about fashion and design. The world today is much full of fashion and there's much full of things to design. People are coming up with ideas day in, day out. People have these exclusive ideas on making new things or solving problems. So in this module, we are going to learn about fashion and design. So this is on the world of clothing, yeah, like appearance of people, because appearance of someone is all about fashion and design. If you don't have the best design, if you don't have the best fashion, the best outfit, then you're not ranged to be in the pattern of being that best person in terms of an outlook or an appearance. So let's dive to this, and I trust so much that as you tune into this module, as you tune into this course, I believe that you came here with a genuine heart of learning. I believe that you are ready to start off, you are ready to begin a new life or a new strategy in terms of the fashion world. So the real number one is that you must have a pen, have a paper, have a book where you can jot down all this that we're going to talk about here. They are much helpful. They'll change your fashion world, they'll change your designer world, they'll change your outfit appearance. You'll be understanding what to do as a designer, as a fashionist. So let's not degrade what you're going to learn here, but be expectant of the best, because you don't know what I carry here, what I've brought here, because this is what has worked in my shop, this is what has worked in my world of fashion, in my friends, in my clients, all that I've made them go through this fashion and design masterclass. Let's keep diving, and this is a course run of this course, like a run of like what we're going to cover. So in this course, it will contain 5 modules, of which each module contains 3 lessons, which means we'll be having a total of 15 lessons at the end of these 5 modules. So I'm expecting that at the end of the 15th lesson, you will be a pro in this world of fashion and design, in this world of outfit, look, appearances, because I'm going to deliver my best content. I'm going to deliver my best lessons and tutorials just for you to make it. And what I know that this lesson is going to be much of fun. It is going to be much of practicals. It's going to be much of creativity, because that is all about designing in the fashion world. It's all about creativity, being creative, being aggressive to solve a certain problem, certain issue. So let's dive into this. In the first module, we're going to learn about the design world. So the designing world is just this world that where ideas flow in your head, where ideas flow in your mind, where you come through and solve a specific task, problem that is maybe is existing in the market right now, or is existing in someone's life. Like you may have a client that needs a design, so it's all about you. That's the designing world. You come up with ideas. It's all about ideas. It's all about outfit sketching, coming up with samples of things to, yeah, like which is the best, something like that. So that is all about the designing world. When you come to the fashion world now is a product of design. So this means that after something has been designed, now the product of it becomes now the fashion, which is outlaid outside there, which is brought out as an outfit to show to the world, or to show to the clients, to the people, that we have made it. So the fashion world is a product of designing, because without an idea it cannot exist. How will you know that this cloth should be like this? Like this is where the leg should pass through. This is where the hand should be. This should be the front part. It comes out of an idea that is a product of designing. So after designing, it now brings an outfit out of it. So that's now where tailors come in, like developers come in and do the work, and yeah, bring things to reality now, to be fact, not now ideas, not now something like intangible. Okay, so that's the second module. We're going to talk about the fashion world, and in the fashion world, we are going to use different brands, very different brands, to at least way how their fashion is, how they display their fashion, how they're coming up with these fashions. Yeah, like we're going to use very different mature brands, very different successful brands all over the world. We're going to make comparisons, we're going to make maybe benchmarks also, to see what you can improve in our market, what you can improve on our sides of our fashion. So that this I'm counting that at the end of this second module, you'll be able to be also aware of other brands outside there which exist, which are bigger than your brands out there, or which have made something, at least they have achieved because of their hard work that they put. And we're going to go through what made them reach where they are. That's all about what you're going to talk about in the fashion world, same to the designing world. So branding, the third module. So on the branding part, this we're going to talk about how to come up with your own brand, how to come up with your own shop, how to come up with your own boutique, how to come up with your own cloth line, something of great efficiency to you. So on the brand, you're going to talk about what are these necessities that you need to have for you to start a brand. What do you need to call yourself a brand? Because a brand is not all about a name. A brand is not all about that appearance. You have come up with design the name and put there. No, a brand is much more than a name. A brand is much more than just popularity. A brand is much more than awareness in the market. No, so a brand contains so many things. That's why you see there's two different brands in the world. There's that successful brand, and there's that popular but not successful brand. But there's a popular and successful brand, and there's also not popular but successful brand. So you're going to understand all these types of brands and how you can come up with these brands and how can model them. So a brand like Cairo, it is a brand of its own. It has achieved of it because of what effort they put, what understanding they have according about what brands are all about. Now that is on the third module. On the fourth module, we're going to talk about the market. So on the market part, without the brand, without the fashion, without the designer, the market will not exist, because what will you be looking for? What customers will you be looking for? What clients will you be looking for if you don't have the actual product? So each and every module here depends on each module here, the past module. So on the market part, we're going to talk about how to get your target audience, how to get your target clients, because there are different types of clients out there uh, who you need to reach. But not all clients are your clients, but you have specific clients in the market. There are people outside there, there are many, yeah, but for you to get who you require for your business, who will make your business stand, it is a great job. It is a great work to do. So we are going to talk about how to get your target audience, how to serve your target audience, how to go through with all your target audience, like make them come again and again and again into your fashion house, into your cloth line, like make design choices in your cloth lines, something of that sort. So in the market module, you're going to talk much about market, because that is all about that is all that you need to reach there. For you to make sales, for you to reach out to the fifth module, you need the market, because without the market, then it is useless. And now on the fifth module, we're going to talk about the sales. So on the sales, without the market, we have no sales, because it's only clients who buy. You cannot buy your own products just like that. No, it is only clients. These are potential clients who come to you. So that's how you make sales. So on the sales part, you're going to talk about how to design these sales, how to make sales for our goods, how to make sales for our products, and how to be accountable for sales that you make. So we're going to have different types of sheets on how to trace our sales. I'll be having a software where we'll be doing for just for recording, for track records, for having putting in place every sale that we make. Every time we make a sale, it is being recorded automatically. Something like yeah, you'll be accountable for each and everything that happens in the business or in the run of the business. So that's all about on the sales part. that is our sales module, the 5th module. And I trust that at the end of these 15 lessons in these 5 modules, what you're going to deliver to your market is one of the best things. So this is just a course outrun, and yeah, you're just going through these courses, and at least you have now an understanding what you're going to cover here, what you're going to go through. So finally, I want to give you the promises of this module. At the end of this module, I believe and I trust that you're going to be a perfect output trainer outside there. You're going to deliver the best designs for your clients, best designs for your fashion, and again, you'll be able to create your own brand, because I remember telling you that I remember telling you that after learning through the brand creation, after learning through the brand module, you're going to know and understand what type of things you need for your brand. So I believe and I trust that the brand that you will come up with will be a great brand of great benefit to yourself and to the society. Get the perfect market. You'll be able to reach that perfect market. You'll be able to understand your clients. You'll be able to differentiate your clients, like, this is my high ticket client, this is my low ticket client, this is a medium. Yeah, so you're going to have high skills on marketing also. You'll be able to market your products on your own. You'll be able to teach your team on how to market, and I trust that if you take these things seriously, you'll deliver the best. Give lessons and coach on fashion and design. I expect that automatically, because you'll have now the real knowledge, the basic knowledge that you need first for you to enter into this world of fashion and design. And also personal development, improvement. You'll be developed well, like you will know what to do, not what to do automatically. So thank you, and this is just a course outrun, going through what you're going to learn here, and I believe and I trust that it is going to be of benefit. So bye bye, see you next time, and I trust that you believe Cairo delivers the best as usual in our past.